Dear scholars, here is our next lesson 3.2 Seven Sisters. What is this lesson about? It is about the seven states which lies in the northeast of India. Let us learn this brief information about those seven states which is given at the beginning in common, and later we will come to know about which are those seven states actually. Hello everyone, have you guessed who we are? We are the seven sisters of Northeast India, the direction which lies between north and east. Still unexplored, isolated territories to most of you and the rest of the world. Here, isolated means separated, SEPARATED. Our sister Sikkim lies to the north, but we seven sisters are contiguous to each other. Simply contiguous means one after another or next to each other. We are famous for our natural beauty. These are the similarities. Natural beauty, lush forests and wild animals, as well as our colorful costumes, traditional jewelry, exotic flowers, and our own unique dance and music. So these are the things about these seven states for which they are famous. Nature lovers have designated our whole area as one of the world's biodiversity hotspot. Biodiversity means simply it is the variety of all types of living beings. Now we will introduce ourselves one by one. So it is what the seven states which lies in the northeast of India. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. So through this lesson, we are going to learn the basic important information about all these seven states. Here we begin with the first one. You can observe the picture of a woman. What type of costume she has worn. Moreover, the costume of the man, you can simply understand how it is different than the Maharashtrian people. Let us learn what information is given about Arunachal Pradesh. At first, I would like to tell you, capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, Itanagar. Now let's begin. Hi, they call me the land of the rising sun, the land of the dawn lit sun. Simply, it is what we will say. It is the place in India, it is the state in India where the rising sun begins first in India. So it is said as land of the rising sun or land of the dawn late sun. I am Arunachal Pradesh. My people are simple and hospitable. Here, hospitable means welcoming, friendly, right? They belong to many tribes speaking their own languages. Further, let's learn about their diet. Diet means simply whatever we eat and drink since we wake up from the sleep till we sleep. Their diet largely made up of rice with fish, meat, and many green vegetables. This is what important part of their diet. The popular or famous dish is momos. Momos is their regional word. Momos means steamed buns with meat or vegetable stuffing. Here stuffing means material. Further, I am a nature lover's heaven. My land is spotted with monasteries, lush green forest, lakes, waterfalls, and deep river valleys. These are the things which are noticeable about the land of Arunachal Pradesh. Further, in my limestone caves, which are known as Tapenuru in their regional language. So, these Tapenuru or limestone caves and forest reserves, you will find a great variety of wildlife. Simply, various types of wild plants, animals are found in Arunachal Pradesh. Further, you must make it a point to visit the 400 years old Buddhist monastery at Tawang. Monastery, it is a place where the religious persons live. So as it is related to Buddhist monastery, so Buddhist bhikkhu used to live over there, or they live even today. It is constructed 400 years ago, and its location is Tawang. Tawang is the place in Arunachal Pradesh. Moreover, and enjoy cultural festival at Zero. So how the people from Zero celebrate that festival, that is again appreciable. Further, don't miss the Namdhapa Tiger Project, which is a plant which is being practiced in Arunachal Pradesh for the safety of the tigers. You are also welcome to the many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks where you may see rare animals, birds, and plants. I am also home to India's first orchid sanctuary. Here, orchid means simply a plant with various types of beautiful flowers. So, this is all about the first state, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Now, here we go with the second, Assam. You can see the costumes of people from Assam, how they are wearing it. Further, it indicates that is tea production. Next, it indicates music, and further it is of wildlife. Let's learn. Assam. Let me tell you its capital first. Assam, its capital is Dispur, that is Dispur, Dispur. Friends, I am Assam, also known as Ahom. Remember, Ahom is the another name for Assam. You will find my land between the beautiful valleys of the two rivers, that is Brahmaputra and Barak. They call me the gateway to the seven sisters. We can simply say that is the entrance to all the seven states. My people are hospitable, just like the people from Arunachal Pradesh. People from Assam are also hospitable, friendly, and welcoming. If you come here, you can enjoy the cuisine, which has its own distinctive aromas and flavors. Distinctive, it is different noticeable aromas, that means smell, scent, and flavors, you know the taste. I am known for my artistic heritage, exotic dance form, and elegant temples. So these are the specialities of Arunachal Pradesh. Here, exotic means unusual, uncommon. Further, the rivers ensure that my territory is my territory is lush and fertile with wetlands, orchards, tea estates, and scenic forest and parks. So this is about the land of Assam specially. How is it? That is lush and fertile. There are wetlands, there are orchards, tea estates, and moreover scenic forest and parks. Scenic, simply we will say the noticeable, beautiful, naturally beautiful. Further, Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park are World Heritage Sites. These are the special two projects in Assam. My picturesque landscape of golden green rice fields and landscape tea estates is awesome to behold, to see. What is it? Golden green rice fields and landscape tea estates. These are the specialities again. And you know, Assam tea is world famous. Yes, absolutely. We know that Assam is world famous. That is Assam tea. Further, the Brahmaputra, that is the river Brahmaputra, is Assam's lifeline because it is the most important river in Assam, which provides water to agriculture, then factories, then day-to-day use, etc., so that it is considered as Assam's lifeline. The land is also rich in some of the minerals. They are petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone, and also some other minerals. Further, it's about clothing. My hand woven silks are exquisite. That is, simply we will say, very beautiful, with natural colors and designs. They say our women weave fairy tales on their looms cloths. Assam silk fabric, there are three types of Assam silk fabric given: Eri, Muga, and Path. These are the most sought after silks in the world of fashion: Eri, Muga, and Path. I am known as the land of fairs and festivals. Fairs and festivals. So fair, what we say, Jatra, Yatra, and many of the festivals are also celebrated in Assam. The major festival of Assam is Bihu. Keep in mind. Further, cane and bamboo are the inseparable parts of my life. These are the two plants which are very important there. Further, as souvenirs, souvenir means remembrance. As remembrance, you can take the jappi and mask. Here, jappi means traditional sunset. So, as a remembrance, we can take jappi and mask from there. Don't forget to visit Ahom palaces. Ahom, Assam palaces. So there are many, and observing them, we can simply identify, or we could simply come to know about how beautifully they were constructed. So this is all about the two states, that is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, from this lesson. I hope the short information about each state you might have understood. Through the next video, we will come across the information about the two next states, that is Meghalaya and Manipur.